Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change location for your Viomi SE using an app called Xiaomi Home. So in order to do that, you need to get your device added to your list, then press on the device, then 3 little dots in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and find Manage Location. From here you can add locations by pressing this plus button and typing its name. So I'm just gonna call it like that. And as you can see, I have my location added right here. I can also delete it. And to change location, simply press on this circle right next to it. And after you've changed your settings, press on this OK button, and the location should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.